Hi everyone, welcome back to the Network Guru. Ever seen a WhatsApp status you wanted to save but couldn't? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you simple ways to save WhatsApp status updates, whether it's an image or a video. Let's get started. Method 1. Using a WhatsApp status saver app. The app's designed to make saving status easier. Here is how. Download a WhatsApp status saver from App Store or Play Store. Find this is apps. I choose this is. Open it. Choose your language. Close this page and tap Download Status. Now you should log in into WhatsApp. But how to do it if you want one phones? You need to take a screenshot and send it to another device. Next, open the WhatsApp app, go to settings, tap linked devices and tap link device. Tap OK. Now you can scan QR code in other device and then go back. Tap OK. Once we are logging into our account, click on status on the left side of the panel. Then choose status, tap on it. And now you can see download status button. Tap on it and tap watch ad. Image saved successfully. Tap OK and go to photos. And now you can see this is a photo. Method 2. Taking a screenshot or screen recording. If you are using an iPhone or don't want to use extra apps, try this. For image, take a screenshot while viewing the status. For videos, use your phone's built-in screen recording to capture the status. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.